Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel, the place where we dive into the coolest gadgets to make your life smarter and more colorful. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tech tips. Today we're checking out the Govee SMART Light Bulbs, your ticket to creating stunning lighting setups right from your phone or voice assistant. Whether you're setting the mood for movie night, brightening up your workspace, or just adding a splash of color to your home, these bulbs promise to deliver. But are they really worth it? Stick around to find out. Alright, let's start with what you get in the box. Govee's packaging is sleek and eco-friendly, and inside, you'll find everything to set up the bulb. Setting them up is super easy. All you need is the Govee app, which is available for both iOS and Android. One thing I love about these bulbs is how user-friendly the app is. It took me less than 5 minutes to connect these bulbs to my Wi-Fi. Plus, they work seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even Siri shortcuts. Now, let's talk about features. With over 16 million colors to choose from, adjustable brightness, and tons of preset scenes, the possibilities are endless. Feeling cozy? Switch to a warm white. Hosting a party? Turn on music sync mode and watch your lights dance to the beat. And here's the best part. These bulbs are super affordable. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below. It's our affiliate link, which means you'll be supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. Huge thanks in advance for using it. So, what's my final verdict? The Govee Smart Light Bulbs are a fantastic choice if you're looking for budget-friendly smart lighting that doesn't skimp on features. They're perfect for beginners and even seasoned smart home enthusiasts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content. And remember, the affiliate link is in the description if you're ready to grab these bulbs and take your lighting game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.